Okay, so in this video, I want to give you a bit of a walkthrough of our Notion and how to set up an internal operating system. All right, if you're anything like me and you're juggling a million things at once, you're going to love this lesson. We're going to get into how to set up your Notion workspace to make things easier for yourself and your team. So over the last few months, we realized our Notion setup needed a serious revamp. We had this dashboard with different pillars, which worked for a while, but as the team grew, everyone kind of started working in their own little corner. Not ideal. So we made some changes. Let me get into it and I'll show you a little bit about our Notion. Here is our company ethos and overview. As you can see, we've kind of got all of our important docs and notes here that we need. Any good company should have this. We've got our product roadmap. This is where we keep track of all our tasks and priorities. It's all broken down into stages. We've got backlog, next up, in progress, in beta. You get the idea. Next, we've got a bit of an issues area. This means that the support team and our developer can kind of track what needs attention. So if we've got an issue, we log it here in the open area. And when we have an answer from our developer, he'll put it in our need to contact area. And once everything's solved and we've sent it to the customer, we can finally put it in that awesome little solved area. So I wanted to show you a little bit about our education roadmap. Here we've set up sections to make sure everyone knows what's going on and what we're building next. Lastly, I wanted to show you the changelog, which is where we track new developments and changes to our products and basically just tracking what's happening. It's great for customer support. It's great for the whole team to know what's going on with our products. So what are the key takeaways from setting up your own Notion or internal operating system? It definitely doesn't have to be Notion. In any business, let alone a Framer business, having an organized workspace is key to having everything run smoothly. If we were day one again, this is what I'd focus on. I'd make a product roadmap. This is where I'd track the big picture stuff, feature requests, improvements, what's coming up. It helps keep the whole team and yourself focused on what's really important. I'd add an issues log. Think of this as your bug tracker. It's where the issues get logged and someone can jump in and fix them. Deployment tracking. You want a database to manage version histories for all your components, products, or really whatever it is. That way, if you ever need to roll back or check an earlier version, it's right there. Changelog. This keeps a running list of all the new features and fixes, which makes writing new release notes a breeze and helps keep everything transparent with you and your team. Calendars. I'd recommend having a dedicated calendar for pushing out marketing, and you can also have one to track your team's work schedule. So really, the goal here is to make sure everyone is on the same page, even if it's just you being accountable to yourself. Make sure nothing slips through the cracks.